what they are saying. Read the questions first, okay? The first question is, using the existing method, absorption of overhead cost. What is the budgeted cost per unit, okay? Next, based on the activity-based costing method, what is the budgeted product? Means on the absorption costing one question, on the activity one question. Then they are talking about the ABC. What is that? Which statements are true with respect to ABC? Which statements are true with respect to ABC? Okay, and all are ABC. Which two of the following statements about ABC are correct? Okay, ABC means all, you will have a good understanding about ABC. Okay. Now, how we have to do? Tell me first one. What they have mentioned. Read the question first. Read and tell. Once it is done, last question, last sentence, tell me. Once it is over, please tell. Yes, tell me.
Okay, finish.
What we have to calculate? Question number 1. Using the existing absorption of overheads, what is the budgeted cost per unit? Okay, what is the budgeted cost per unit? For product, which one? For product X. For product X, how much is the material cost? How much is the material cost? Material is how much? Material is going to be 5. Is it material? Labor is how much? Direct labor.
24.
Direct labor, how much?
24. In minutes.
In minutes, okay? That is in minutes. Minutes is in 24. Okay, that is in minutes. We have to know in terms of value. How much is in terms of value? Direct material per unit, direct material in dollars, okay? Direct material in dollar. Direct labor in minutes. Direct labor in minutes.
Shall we take directly 24 into 4 meters square?
24 into?
4?
No, how we can take 24 into 4? 24 into 4, how will we take? 24 divided by 60 times.
Or we should convert into hour?
We should convert into hour, is it right? That is in minutes. That is in minutes. Somewhere they would have mentioned 3 products are produced by workers who perform number of operations. The wage rate is how much? Here they gave you now. How much is the wage rate? 9 per hour. It is there?
That's
It is there. We have to read the question. 9 per hour. Okay. Now 9 times 24 by 60. How much will get? How much will get?
3.6.
3.6. Okay. How much will get? 3.6. How much will get? 3.6. Now overheads are there. Okay. Overheads are there. Now you have to calculate the overhead absorption rate. Okay, you have to calculate the overhead absorption rate. Okay, I will put like this only. OAR. Okay, OAR. How much is there? What is the overheads? 15,600 plus 19,500 plus 13,650 divided by, okay, divided by how much is there? Production quantity is how much? Production quantity is, we have to calculate the total number of hours, okay? Production quantity is how much? 2,400 times, okay? We have to calculate hours, okay? We have to calculate hours. 24 divided by 60. Are you clear about this? Okay, 24, 2000, is right? 2000 times 2000 units. Okay, 2000 units. You will get how many? We'll get hours. Okay, we'll get hours. The second one is how much? 1500 times 40 by 60. Are you clear about this? Is it okay? Plus 800 times 60 by 60. Is it okay with you? Overhead absorption rate is a total overheads, okay? Total overheads is that I will write like this, okay? Total overheads divided by total number of hours. Is it okay? Is it fine?
Okay.
15,600. 15,600, how much will get? 15,600 plus 19,500 plus 13,650. It comes to how much? It comes to 48,750 divided by how much is there? 2,000. The 2,000 times 24 divided by 60. 800. Okay, 800 plus 1500 times 40 divided by 60. It comes to how much? 1,000. Check again my calculations. 800 times 800 plus 800. It comes to 800. It comes to how much? $48,750 divided by 1,000.
Doctor, 600, 800 plus 600 plus 320.
800 plus one
Plus
second.
600.
1 second. $1,500, na dear. 1,500 times 40 divided by 60 minutes. 1,000, na? Check.
Doctor, why first of all up direct labor you took 24? You didn't take 40 or 60.
Huh? See how much direct labor? 24 minutes. It is there. 24 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes. Okay? Now, see the things I am writing here. How many units are there? 2,000 units. It is there. Divided by
Yes.
60 minutes. It comes to how much? 800 hours. It comes to how much? 1,000 hours. It comes to how much? 800 hours. Total value divided by hours. What they say? Overhead cost. See the after the table. Overhead cost per material receipts inspection process are being absorbed by product units using rates per how much? Direct labor hour. It has been mentioned here. After the table.
Okay.
Okay, after the table. Okay, that is the reason we are taking this. Okay, that is the reason we are taking this. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
How much you will get per hour?
18.75.
18.75. Okay, 18 points. How many hours they are taking? 18.75. 18.75 times 24 divided by 60. It comes to how much?
$18.75.
Yeah, 18.75 overheads. I'm writing this, okay? I'm just putting like this. Is it right? Now, overheads. Overheads. How much is there? 18.75 times 24 minutes divided by 60. How much you will get?
7.5.
7.5. Total, how much you will get? 12.5, 13.1, 16.1. Is it right? Is it right?
Okay.
Answer is how much? C. Is it okay?
Yes.
No. What they say after this line? You have written this or you will write?
I have written.
Now, you see the thing. After this, okay, see the green. Okay, see the green. An activity-based costing investigation has revealed cost drivers. They have told the cost drivers. Material, number of batches. Okay, material, number of batches. Process, number of drill. Material handling, quantity of material, square meters. Okay, now square meters. How much is there? 10 plus 5 plus 16. It comes to how much? Tell me. 10 plus 5, 15. It comes to 31. It comes to 31. Okay. Number of drilling machines. How much is there? Number of powered per unit. Per unit 6, 3 and 2. Okay. Per unit 6, 3 and 2. Now we have to do the things. Okay. We cannot do like this. Okay. We cannot do like this. Okay. We have to calculate cost driver rates. Cost driver rates. First one is what? First one is material receipts and inspection. Is it? Materials, receipts and inspection. How much? What is the material receipts and inspection? What is the material amount? Material cost 15,600. Material cost, I am writing for your understanding. Material cost divided by batches of material. Total batches of material. Material cost is 15,600 divided by how much is there? 10 plus 5 plus 16. How much you will get?
31.
Yes. What is the value?
$503.225.
503.225. Okay. This is one. Okay. This is one. Okay. The second one, I am writing here only. Okay. Now, what is the second one? Second one, process power. Second one is process power. What is the formula they say? what they say, process power cost. Okay, power cost.
19,500.
Power cost. Power cost 19,500 divided by what they have mentioned, number of power drill operations per unit. How
Number
much is
of
there? Per unit is 6.
operations.
Per
Six
unit
three.
is 6. And how many units are there? Per unit is 6. 2000 times 6. Okay, plus 1500 times 3 plus 800 times 2. How much you will get?
12,000.
How much you will get?
First one 12,000.
Total? Okay, 12,000 plus 4,500
4,500.
plus 1,600. It comes to 19,500 divided by 12,000, 16,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,100. Check. Check. One point zero
1.07.
1.07778. You put 78, nothing will happen. This is point number 2. Okay, point number 2. Now, point number 3. Okay, here only I will write. So that we should have material handling. Is that material handling? How much is the material handling? What is the cost? 13,650.
13,650.
13,650. Okay, 13,650 divided by what is the
Quantity of
basis?
material.
Square
Square
meters.
meters.
How much is the square meters? 463 per unit. Per unit is 4. Okay, per unit is 4 means again 2000 times 4 plus
8,000.
okay plus 1500 times 6 plus 800 times 3. 13,650 divided by, tell me the total. 8,000 plus
1,000 plus
9,000 plus
5,000.
2,400.
5,400.
13,650 divided by 19,400. How much you'll get?
Zero 0.703.
0.70. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Nothing is there. Done. It's over. Okay, it's over. Now, activity-based costing. Okay, activity-based cost. You have to write only direct material. Okay, I'm not writing anything. Direct material is how much? 5. Okay, direct labor, which they are talking about product X only. Okay, they are talking about direct product X only. How much is there? $9.24 by 60. Is it? It comes to how much? 3.60. Is that 3.60? Then you have to mention production overheads. I'm right. In the examination, we don't need. Okay. Okay, materials. How much is the materials? Material cost. Okay, material cost. How much is the material cost? How much is there? Per batch. Per batch. Per batch. Batch of materials is 10.
10,560.
10,560. Okay. Okay. I will write here. Okay. I will write here. How much is there per batch? Is that here we have calculated? This is per batch. Is that this is per batch? Okay. 503,225. Okay. Into how many batches? 10 batches. Is that into how many batches? 10 batches divided by. We want this is per unit. They're asking you cost per unit. Okay, they're asking you cost per unit. Okay, how many units are there? 2000 units. Only for X. Only for X. 5032.25 divided by 2000. How much is there?
2.516.
2.51. 2.51. Okay, 2.51. Is it next? What is the process cost? Okay, process cost. Okay, process cost. How much is the process cost? We have calculated process cost. How much is there? What is the process cost?
$1.078.
1.078. Okay, where is that? Where is that? 1.078. Is there 1.078? How many processes are there? How many processes there? Product X. 6.
6.
Is it right? 6. 1.078 times 6. Check again. Per unit. Exactly. It is for per unit. Okay, it is for per unit. Okay, we have to be very careful. Per unit. How much is there? 6 per unit. Okay, per unit. It comes to how much? 1.078 times 6. 6.49.
6.769.
Okay, 6.48. Okay, you will get little bit difference will be there. Material handling. Okay, material handling. Material handling. Is it? What is the rule for material handling?
Material handling. Quantity of material per square
Per
meter.
unit 4. Okay, 4. How much is that? 4.7. $0.70 times 4. It comes to how much? 2.8. Yes? Is it 2.8? Total how much?
Total of overheads.
Total 5 plus 3.6 plus 2.51 plus 6.48 plus
plus
2.8.
20
20.3. 20 point,
20.4.
yeah. One question will be there, ABC and absorption costing. Is it okay?
Doctor, just a minute.
I'm just aligning to make sure that you will get a complete view about that. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Okay.
Next. Now you are finding it is easy for you now, ABC and absorption costing?
Yes. Now, doctor, in the exam, it will not be that much detail as we study.
It will be like this
Or
only. Is it right? But see, block building. Is that block building? You observed we have. I told you to read. Now you have a question on that.
yes.
Okay, I told you to read. We have question on that. Like that, we have to be very careful. Okay, don't take risk. Next,
Okay.
don't take risk. Is fine. Now, which of the following statement has been regarding the use of ABC? Now, tell me.
First one is correct.
Next,
Besides making. Yeah, if we have realistic data, decision will be improved as we have real figures.
1 and 2 are correct. Okay, 1 and 2 are correct. 1 and 2 are correct, means all statements are correct. But read the third one also.
Yeah, if decision improve, performance management will improve.
Next. Next.
Just a minute. PC connect principal. Second one is correct.
Next.
Number four is correct. ABC can apply only to production overheads. The first one is correct, I think. First one.
To all overheads. It applies to all overheads. Answer is
C.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Next.
He is correct.
Huh?
Statement 3 is correct. ABC can be used for service and manufacturing.
Next.
Doctor, what do they mean by R2E?
Which one?
Doctor, your voice is not clear.
Which one you are asking?
Doctor, your voice is not clear.
Yeah, tell me, which one? ABC can only be used to analyze past, not to make future. We are always talking in terms of what? We are talking about only the estimates. We are talking in terms of what? We are talking in terms of future. The first one is right or wrong? Only focus on first one. Performance management, we are talking only about to make, not to make deceive. ABC can only be used to account the, not to make decisions about the future. We are making the decisions about the future or not? What happened? My voice is not audible?
Okay, now it's okay.
Huh, tell me.
First one is false. It's not future. Third one we said is correct.
The benefits of ABC will always outweigh the cost of implementing the system. Are we doing cost benefit analysis here?
No.
ABC is of less benefit if the majority of costs suffered are variable cost. Majority of the cost is overheads, is less benefits. Is it? If it is less because if variable cost is more, then what is the purpose? Variable ABC is using where the overhead cost is more. Is that where the overhead cost is more, where there is a more divisions are there. Okay, where there are more divisions are there, where are going to be more drivers are there, then ABC will be more helpful for us. Is it right?
Yes.
Answer is
D.